I had an issue with this 2017 Subaru Outback on the driver's side door. I was going to show you how I fixed it. After having the door thrown open too hard and too far a number of times, this particular piece that is bolted to the door panel, there's a plate behind it with two studs coming out and then nuts on the studs, and as you close the door then it slides on this piece. What had happened here is that with the door being forced open, the studs and the nuts had ripped the metal on the door panel, so they wouldn't stay, and it was not working properly. So what I did was take off this particular bolt, loosen up this arm, and then I took off the nuts on the studs that hold the panel that's behind the door, and I smoothed out the metal that had been flattened and messed up because of the pulling on the door as the door pulled like this. And then I put washers on that to give me more surface to resist this pulling, and reinstalled the nuts. So I don't know the proper way to do that. Probably take the whole door panel off and get in behind it, and or maybe put a new door panel on, I don't know. But this took about 30 minutes to figure out exactly how to get it done, and then put those two nuts on, and door's working fine now. Another repair at shop avoided. Hope this helps you out.